Barbecue fam, today we're doing up some chicken bombs on the Char Griller 980. Oh hell yeah, check this out. These chicken bombs, we're going to be using chicken thighs, the boneless, skinless. Oh hell yeah, they're already opened right up to pop your jalapeno in. But first, we're going to smoke our cream cheese. Oh hell yeah. So grab a couple bricks of cream cheese, hit it up with some seasoning. We're using Uncle Steve's bird powder, bird shake now. Oh hell yeah. Hit it on all sides. Throw it in your smoker for about 30-45 minutes at 275. And then when you pull that out, you can add that to your jalapenos or whatever peppers you're going to be using. So you're going to lay out your chicken thighs. You're going to hit them with whatever rubber you're using. I'm using Uncle Steve's bird powder. And put that all on the inside. Put the peppers, whatever you're using, on the inside. And then throw the cream cheese and whatever kind of cheese you want on top of it. Roll it up into a ball. Wrap that in bacon. And then hit it with a little more rub. Put it in direct, whatever cooker you're using. And let it go until you hit about 165 degrees internal temp. Oh hell yeah. So the last 15 minutes, I'm going to baste these chicken bombs with some Blues Hog barbecue sauce, the original. Just baste it on there, let it crisp up. So you got some sweet with the heat. Oh hell yeah. This is going to be dynamite. Chicken bombs, oh hell yeah. We're rolling in about 40 minutes. Let's check these chicken bombs out.
Give me a hell yeah!
Oh. Smells amazing, looks amazing. Give them 5 more minutes, then we're gonna pull them, let them rest, and then we're gonna slice one in half and check the insides. Oh, hell yeah! Oh, she's still steaming. She's smelling delicious. Let's get a bite of this. Oh, hell yeah.
I said give me a hell yeah!
Oh, man. Chicken bombs for the win tonight. Oh, hell yeah. That's rocking. Oh, damn. That's a home run. Grand slam. Bam. Out the park. That's rocking. Easy to do. Chicken thighs. Put a jalapeno popper on the inside. Wrap it up with bacon on the outside. Smoke it for about 45 minutes at 350. It's getting windy. It's getting cold. I'm heading inside. You guys have a damn good time and make one of these chicken bombs, or 10 or 12 like I did. So easy, great price, delicious. Oh hell yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one.
I said give me a hell yeah!
Now today, while I was at the market, I was looking to buy something to make, and there was an old guy in there, and he was saying, it's almost too expensive to eat anymore. All you can do is eat eggs and oatmeal. And I said, look at the chicken. The prices really hasn't risen on chicken. And look what you can do with chicken. This was a cheap meal, and it's delicious. Oh, hell yeah. So if you're having problems with prices on meat, chicken's always a great option, and it's damn delicious. Hell yeah.